Okay, so now Beatrice, we will continue our material about this. What did you do on the weekend? So this is talking about what you did on the weekend. Nah, kemarin kan udah materi ini nih, tentang apa yang dilakukan pada akhir pekan. So, Beatrice, what did you do on the weekend, last weekend? Kemarin akhir pekan, Beatrice ngapain?
Bikin bikin roti sama nugget.
Oh, made bread, and nugget. So, what
Mm-mm.
kind of bread? Roti apa?
Roti dadar. Jadi roti di luarnya dikasih kayak campuran tepung terigu sama telur, nanti nanti rotinya dicelupin ke situ terus digoreng.
Oh, jadi kayak roti goreng gitu ya?
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's so good. Kayaknya enak banget. Okay, so now let's continue to this. So here we have this. So in the last meeting, kemarin udah ngerjain yang ini ya, yang bagian ini. So now we will try to do this. Kita akan mengerjakan bagian ini. Write the correct word and or phrase in its blank. Ini ada, we have number one ada number six. Ada nomor satu sampai nomor 6. And then the option for the answer, untuk jawabannya, we have this. Ada went to the movies, weekend, forest, museum, delicious, and amusement park. Okay, Gitrif. Which word you don't know the meaning? Yang nggak tahu artinya yang mana Gitrif?
Hmm, Amusement park.
Amusement park? Okay, now let's try for the first here. Went to the movies, artinya apa Gitrif?
Menonton film.
Menonton film atau pergi ke bioskop. Ada weekend,
Akhir pekan.
akhir pekan. Forest,
Hutan.
hutan. Museum,
Museum.
museum. Delicious,
Lezat.
lezat. And amusement park,
Hmm,
kira-kira apa nih gitu, Rif? Fitri pernah ke Ancol nggak?
apa?
Pernah ke Dufan?
Hmm,
Apa ya kalau ada di
Kayaknya
Cirebon?
kakak aku yang pernah, kayaknya aku pas kakak aku ke Dufan, aku belum lahir dah.
Oh, berarti amusement park itu mirip kayak Dufan. Berarti apa kira-kira namanya gitu, Rif? Ini Indonesian.
Taman
Taman,
bermain.
taman bermain atau taman hiburan ya? Hmm. Fitri pernah ke taman hiburan nggak di Cirebon?
Pernah.
Apa namanya? What is the name?
Apa ya?
Apa?
Tapi bukan di Cirebon,
Di mana?
di kota lain, di Semarang.
Oh, di Semarang. So, what is it? Apa itu namanya? What is the name?
Ya itu kayak tempat beli-beli, kayak tempat belanja, terus nanti di belakang tokonya itu di tokonya itu ada tiket, yang di belakangnya tuh ternyata ada kayak mainan mobil, ada yang mainan jalan-jalan pakai mobil, terus ada naik kuda, terus di belakangnya ada kebun binatang kecil.
Mirip kayak Trans Studio gitu ya? Hmm, oke. Jadi amusement park tuh kayak taman hiburan, kayak Dufan atau Trans Studio. Atau kalau di Jawa Timur ada Jatim Park, mirip-mirip kayak gitu. Bisa dibayangkan gitu?
Bisa.
Bisa ya? Kalau ada kayak eh, Universal Universal Studio Singapura atau Disneyland Tokyo kayak gitu. Tahu ya?
Tahu.
Oke, that's good. So that is amusement park. Itu
Oh,
taman hiburan.
sama pas aku masih balita di Singapura, pas aku masih digendong pas masih balita di Singapura, aku ke apa tuh?
universal
Hmm,
to you?
singa yang buntut ikan tuh apa ya?
Gimana? Yang kayak gimana?
Yang air mancur tapi itu ada patung singa buntutnya ikan.
Oh, kayak patung Merlin ya, yang ada di Singapura ya.
Heeh.
Patung Merlion ya, yang patung kayak sebentar, cariin fotonya, bentar. Oh, ini kah? Yang kayak ini?
Mm-mm.
Oh, so this is in Singapore. Patung Merlion ya, Merlion Statue. Oke. Do you like it? Pernah lihat ya gitu?
Pernah pas
Oke,
balita.
Mas Balita. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that is about this. So now, Dietrich, we will try to fill this. Number one until number six. Dikerjakan nomor satu sampai nomor 6. Can you do it, Dietrich?
My grandparents visited us on the weekend.
Okay, that's correct. My grandparents visited us on the weekend. Okay, next, number two.
I titik-titik with my brother on Sunday. The movie is watched very went to the movie.
Okay, that's correct. Went to the movie. Pergi ke bioskop. Went to the movies. Next, number three.
Mm, we went to the amusement park to ride the roller coaster.
Okay, that's perfect. We went to the amusement park to ride the roller coaster.
Oh, satu lagi aku pernah masih bayi, pas masih bayi bukan balita. Pas masih bayi pernah ke Transmart yang
Oh,
deket CSB.
Transmart di Cirebon.
Iya yang ada dinosaurusnya, ada roller coasternya, ada pesawat.
Oh,
Pesawatnya
yang
tuh
di
sejenis roller coaster.
yang ada di
Aku naik itu pas masih bayi sama ibu sama ayah sama kakak.
Oh, seru.
Seru.
Oh, that's good. So that is in di mana di Cirebon ya?
Mm.
Okay, so that's in Cirebon. Okay, that's good. So that is for number three. We went to the amusement park to ride the roller coaster. Next, number four.
Many animals live in the forest.
Okay, that's good. Many animals live in the forest. Next, number five.
My mother made delicious cookies. I can't stop eating them.
Okay, my mother made delicious cookies. I couldn't stop eating them. Delicious. Delicious. Oh iya, Drift. Bacanya ini tadi gimana? Couldn't ya? Couldn't.
Wouldn't.
Couldn't. Okay. Next, number six.
I visited the museum and looked at the Ezra painting.
Okay, we visited the museum and looked at all interesting painting. Okay, the answer is museum. Okay, that's all is correct. Benar semuanya, Drift. Good job. Okay, now Drift, please read number one until number six in English. Dalam bahasa Inggris saja ya.
My grandparents visited us on the weekend. Went I went to the movie with my brother on Sunday. The movie we watched was very scary. We went to the amusement park to ride the lo- roller coaster. Many animals live in the forest. My mother made delicious cookies. I couldn't stop eating them. I visited the museum and looked at all the interesting paintings.
Okay, that's correct. So that is for number one until number six. Okay, do you have any question? Ada pertanyaan nggak gitu, Rif?
No.
No. Okay, so now we will continue to the next part. We will have this. Okay, so this complete the conversation using the sentence from the box below. So here we have conversation between A and B. Antara A sama B ini ada percakapan. I went to the movies. We went in line skating. It was so much fun. I went with my parents. We watched an action movie. Yes, I did. So this is for the answer and this is for the question. Nah, ada A give the question and B will answer the question. Okay, now Beatrice, please read the question and then you have to find the answer. Jadi dibaca pertanyaannya, lalu Beatrice temukan jawabannya nih. Can you do it?
Did you have a good weekend? I went to the movie.
Oke, did you have a good weekend? Apakah kamu mempunyai akhir pekan yang baik? Jawabannya kira-kira apa?
Yes, I did.
Oke, that's correct. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Oke, jangan lupa ya, Gedrif. Kalau ada pertanyaan awal-awalnya did, jadi did langsung did you have? Nah, jawabannya bisa dua. Yes, I did atau no, I didn't. Nah, kalau pilihannya di sini cuma ada yang yes, I did, nggak ada no, I didn't. Jadi jawabannya bisa jadi adalah yes, I did. Oke?
Okay.
Okay, let's continue to the next. Number two.
What did you do? I went to the movie.
Okay, what did you do? I went to the movies. Okay, that's correct. I went to the movies. Next, number three.
Who did you go with? We went and learned skating. It was so much fun.
Okay, so for number three, we have the question, who did you go with? Who? Who ini artinya bagi Drift?
Mm,
Kan ada 5W 1H. Ada what, where, when, who, apa lagi? Terus ada how yang terakhir. Ada 5W 1H. Nah, ini ada who. Kalau who ini apa?
apa?
Nah, kan ada what, where, when, who, why, sama ada how. Oke, kita coba dulu nih, gitu, Rif. What? What itu artinya apa, gitu, Rif?
Apa?
Apa? Kalau where,
Berapa?
di berapa? Where? Where? Where are you from? Berarti where artinya
Kapan?
where are you from? Artinya apa, gitu, Rif? Kalau where are you from?
Hmm,
Where are you from? Where? I'm
where?
apa nih? Kalau where are you from? Where itu artinya adalah di
Di mana?
di mana. Oke, that's correct. Di mana. Next we have when. Kalau when
Berapa?
berapa? When. When itu artinya kayak kalau tanya tentang tanggal atau kap- kejadian, tanggal kejadian itu pakai apa?
Kapan?
Kapan? Berarti when artinya adalah
Kapan?
kapan. Terus kita ada who.
Hmm,
Who artinya kalau mau bertanya tentang seseorang. Who artinya apa?
siapa?
Siapa? Oke, that's correct. Who? Siapa? Kalau why,
Kenapa?
kenapa? How?
Berapa?
Berapa? Atau ada selain berapa, ada apa lagi? How are you? Artinya how are you apa?
Apakah kamu?
How,
Apakah?
gimana?
Apakah?
How are you? How are you? Artinya apa?
Hmm,
How are you itu untuk menanyai apa gitu, Rif?
berapa?
Ah, how are you? How are you? How are you today? Itu artinya apa?
Hari apa?
Nah, hari apa? How are you itu digunakan untuk menanyakan kabar ya atau kondisi. Jadi kalau how are you itu bagaimana kabarmu? Nah, berarti how itu apa?
Bagaimana kabarmu?
Nah, kalau how are you bagaimana kabarmu? Kalau how aja artinya
Berapa?
berapa atau apa lagi?
Hmm,
Kalau how are you bagaimana kabarmu? Berarti kalau how-nya aja artinya
hmm,
ba
Ba,
apa?
ba,
Bagaimana? Ya,
bagaimana?
bagaimana? Atau kalau berapa itu bisa how many atau how much. Nah, ini berapa? Oke, now Gitrif, please read it. Dibaca bagian ini semua coba. In English and in Indonesian.
What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa?
Oke, that's good. So, Gitrif udah hafal apa belum kira-kira?
Hmm,
Oke,
yang Inggrisnya belum, yang Indonesianya udah.
Oke, Cap kasih waktu 2 menit ya. Coba Gitrif hafalin, terus nanti Cap bantu kasih tebakan. Oke?
Oke.
Oke, coba dihafalin. Sambil dibaca-baca juga nggak apa-apa Gitrif. I will give you time 2 minutes. 2 menit.
What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa? What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa? What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa?
Udah,
Where? Di mana? Where? What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa? What? Apa? Where? Di mana? When? Kapan? Who? Siapa? Why? Kenapa? How? Bagaimana? How many? How much? Berapa?
udah hafal Gitrif?
Udah sedikit.
Udah sedikit. Oke, jangan lupa ya kalau what itu apa? What, apa? What, apa? Lalu ada where. Where, di mana? Kalau ada where are you from, berarti di mana asalmu. Where are you from, di mana asalmu. Kalau what, kalau terus ada when. When itu kapan? When, kapan? Jangan lupa ya kalau when itu kapan. Terus ada who. Who itu siapa? Jangan lupa who, siapa. Lalu ada why. Kalau why, kenapa? Ada why, kenapa. Lalu ada how, bagaimana. How, bagaimana. Lalu ada how many dan how much. Kalau how many dan how much, berapa. Oke, udah siap dikasih tebak-tebakan gitu, Rif?
Udah.
Oke, kita coba ya, Cap. Sembunyiin dulu nih. Yang pertama ada why. Artinya apa gitu, Rif?
Kenapa?
Kenapa? Lalu ada what,
Apa?
apa. Lalu ada when,
Hmm,
When artinya
Kapan?
kapan. Oke, that's correct. Lalu ada where,
Di mana?
di mana. Lalu ada who,
Siapa?
siapa. How,
Bagaimana?
bagaimana. How many,
Berapa?
berapa. How much,
Berapa?
berapa juga. Oke, that's good. Oke, kita coba lagi. Kalau bahasa Inggrisnya, where, apa? Where,
Kapan?
where, bukan kapan ya, selain kapan apa? Where,
Di mana?
gimana?
Di mana?
Di mana? Oke, that's correct. Where, di mana? Lalu ada who,
Siapa?
siapa? Ada what,
Apa?
apa? Why,
Kenapa?
when,
Kapan?
kapan? How,
Bagaimana?
bagaimana? Who,
Siapa?
siapa? Sekali lagi, kita akan coba. Kalau when, when, artinya
Kapan?
kapan? Kalau who,
Siapa?
gimana?
Siapa?
Siapa? Lalu ada why,
Kenapa?
kenapa? Where,
Hmm, itu
apa? Where, where, where are you from? Where, artinya apa?
di mana?
Di mana? Oke. Lalu kita ada what,
Apa?
apa? How,
Bagaimana?
bagaimana? How many,
Berapa?
how much,
Berapa?
berapa juga. Oke, that's good, Griff. Do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, now let's continue. Kita akan lanjut ke sini. So here we have this. Who? Who did you go with? Jawabannya yang mana?
Di,
Jadi who? Artinya who tadi apa?
siapa?
Siapa? Who did you go with? Jadi kamu ke sana sama siapa?
I went with my parents. We watched an action movie.
Okay, that's perfect. The answer is I went with my parents. We watched an action movie. Okay, so that is for this. Next, for the last.
Hmm,
Oke, dibaca
what
pertanyaan.
else did you do together? We
What?
went ice skating. It was so much fun.
So much fun. Okay. What else did you go? Sorry. What else did you do together? We went in line skating. It was so much fun. Okay, so that is about this. So now Gitrif we will practice this. Kita akan mempraktekkan ini. Jadi Gitrif mau jadi yang A or B?
Hey,
A. So Gitrif will be A and Cap will be B. Okay, so now Gitrif, please.
did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I did.
What did you do?
I went to the movies.
Who did you go with?
I went with my parents. We watched an action movie.
What else is did you together?
Oke, ini bacanya else ya. Jadi tulisannya else, tapi bacanya else. What else did you do together? Oke, coba sekali lagi, Drew.
What else did you do together?
We went inline skating. It was so much fun. Alright, so that is about this part. Okay, do you have any question, Drew?
No.
No. Okay, that's perfect. Now we will continue to the next. We will have this. Okay, so we will have listening section. Kita akan ada sesi mendengarkan Gidrif. Gidrif ada pulpen sama kertas.
Mau diambil.
Okay, please. Okay, sudah Gidrif?
Sudah.
Okay, now let's try. So we will listen to the audio and then you have to find the answer.
Daniel, what did you do?
Oke, Gidrif udah siap dengerin audionya?
Sudah.
Oke, let's listen it together. Kita akan Gidrif mau suaranya normal, pelan, atau cepat?
On.
Pelan? Oke, ya pelanin ya.
Speaking practice. Listen. Check the activities Daniel did on the weekend.
Hi, Daniel. What did you do on the weekend?
Hey, Isabel. I went for a bike ride.
Oh, did you? Where did you go?
I rode my bike down to the river.
Who did you go with?
I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend.
What else did you do together?
We watched TV and baked bread. It was delicious.
It sounds like you had a great weekend.
Yes, I did. What did you do?
Oke, Gidrif. Do you get the answer? Udah dapat jawabannya?
Belum.
Belum sama sekali atau udah ada satu?
Belum sama sekali.
Oke. Mau dengerin sekali lagi?
Yes.
Oke, we will listen together. Mau dipelanin lagi atau tadi udah cukup?
On.
Mau dipelanin lagi? Oke, wait.
Hi, Daniel. What did you do on the weekend?
Hey, Isabel. I went for a bike ride.
Oh, did you? Where did you go?
I rode my bike down to the river.
Who did you go with?
I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend.
What else did you do together?
We watched TV and baked bread. It was delicious.
It sounds like you had a great weekend.
Yes, I did. What did you do?
Oke, gimana? Udah dapat jawabannya?
Udah, baru satu.
Baru satu. Oke, so Cap will help you ya. Jadi Cap bakal Cap pandu dari nomor 1 sampai nomor 7 ya. Oke?
Mm-mm.
Oke, Cap bantu bacain. Hi Daniel, what did you do on the weekend? Hi Isabel, I went for a bike ride. Oh, did you? Where did you go? I rode my bike down to the river. Who did you go with? I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend. What else did you do together? We watched TV and Big Bread. It was delicious. It sounds like you had a great weekend. Yes, I did. What did you do? Oke, gitu Rif. Kira-kira ada yang dapat nggak?
Baru satu.
Oh, baris tuh. Oke, now let's try to fill together. Kita isi bareng-bareng ya.
Mm.
Oke, for the first. Hi Daniel, what did you do? Nomor satu, jawabannya
Weekend,
gimana?
weekend,
Weekend. What did you do on the weekend? Okay, weekend. Next, number two. Hi Isabel, I went for a bike ride.
oh, oh,
Siapa aja bagi drift?
bike ride,
Bike ride. Next, number. Oh, did you? Where did you go? I rode my bike down to the river. Jawabannya
river,
apa?
river,
River. River artinya begitu, Rif. River. Su.
so,
Su apa? Kalau buat mancing di
right,
sungai. River itu artinya sungai ya. Oke. Who did you go with? I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend. Jawabannya number four.
mm,
Gimana? I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend. Jawabannya?
grandmother,
Okay, I went with my grandmother. Okay, next. What else did you do together? We watched TV and Big Bread. Jawabannya apa gitu, Rif? Oke, tunggu sebentar ya, gitu, Rif. Tunggu 1 menit sebentar ya.
mm,
Okay, let's continue. Number five. So, what else did you do together? We watched TV and baked bread. Apa gitu, Rif?
bake bread,
Baked bread. Baked bread. Baked bread artinya apa gitu, Rif?
mau bikin roti,
Mau bikin roti atau bake. Bake itu memanggang ya. Berarti bake
mm,
artinya
mau manggang
oke, memanggang
roti,
roti. Okay, that's correct. Number six. It was delicious. Jawabannya?
delicious,
Okay, it was delicious. Delicious. Number seven. It sounds like you had a great weekend. Jawabannya?
great weekend,
Had a great weekend. Okay, had a great weekend. Okay, that's good, Gitrif. Oke, Gitrif. Now we will try to make a conversation. Kita akan berdialog. Gitrif mau jadi Isabel atau jadi Daniel?
Uh, Daniel.
Daniel. Okay, let's start from me ya, Mas Isabel. Hi Daniel, what did you do on the weekend?
Hey Isabel, I went for a bike ride.
Oh, did you? Where did you go?
I rode my bike down to river.
Who did you go with?
I went with my grandmother. She came to visit us on the weekend.
What else did you do together?
We watched the TV and baked bread.
Ininya?
Yes, it was delicious.
It sounds like you had a great weekend.
Oh, yes, I did. What did you do?
Okay, that's perfect, Idrif. Okay, that is about this part. Okay, Idrif, do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay, so that is about this part. So for this lesson 11, activities on the weekend. Okay, now I will end the recording.